From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your Valley Neighborhood Forecast.
Everything Medical has been your complete source for medical supplies since 2007. Our 10,000 square foot showroom has the largest selection of home medical equipment in the North State. We have what you need. Everything Medical, Athens Avenue, Reading.
You know, not a bad day in the Valley today. It didn't really warm up a whole lot. I mean, it's getting warmer. You can see Reading about 92, but you head southward. Look at Chico, a high of 82 degrees so far today. You look at Weaverville, 81, 78 degrees for Hayfork. So it's beginning to warm up for us here in the Valley. Let's take a look at what's going on here. We got a warming trend the rest of the week. We had our first big heat wave of the season. We're going to talk about temperatures possibly upwards of 110 degrees. In fact, take a look at this. I mean, I haven't committed to it just yet. We're close. You're splitting hairs at this point. When you're up to 108, 109, if it gets up to 110 degrees, what's the difference, right? But the average high is around 96 degrees, so we'll be above that by the time we get into Wednesday and well above that by the time we get into Thursday, Friday, and not to mention this weekend. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast through tonight. Low 60s eventually by the time we get into early tomorrow morning, getting up to about 77 by 10 a.m. Look at those temperatures for tomorrow. It's warming up a little bit, 94 degrees for Reading, Red Bluff 94, and Chico topping out at about 91 degrees for your Tuesday. Now, we did see some thunderstorms pop up this afternoon and evening for the mountains, but nothing for us. Let's take a look at the satellite radar, closer look. You see how the clouds moving in. This is in response to the showers and thunderstorms that developed off to the west of the valley. And there were even some lightning strikes near the Reading area, but not much in the way of activity. It just didn't quite survive that trip down the mountains. So we take a look at Futurecast, and you can see by tomorrow, we could see a slight chance for some of that activity coming on in. Now, this is that same situation that we're dealing with today. Most of it's off to the west, not that strong, but we could see a stray shower, an off chance for an even isolated thunderstorm. Then we go into Tuesday night, it's all pretty much gone. Let's take you into Wednesday. Wednesday afternoon, most of it's off to the east. I mean, even the chances for places like Weaverville and Trinity County in general are looking like basically no chances for thunderstorms there. So we have that mild air moving to the east, and in response behind it is this heat that will be moving in as we approach the weekend. Now, this is the peak of the heat wave. This cooler air to the north will prevent this heat from actually moving in. And in fact, this heat will retreat after Saturday. So we will see a slight dip in our temperatures as we go into next week. So it's going to peak on Saturday, drop after that. There you can see the above normal temperatures July 6th, but as we go into July 4th through July 10th, we're starting to see that trend go downward with those overall highs. So that's what it looks like for your Tuesday. Temperatures mainly in the low 90s for most of us in the Valley for your Tuesday. 93 for Palo Cedro and Cottonwood, 94 for Reading. Here is your 7-day forecast for Reading. We're up to 104 by Thursday, 107 Friday, and could get close to, if not right around 110 degrees by the weekend.